Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how you can start a side hustle from the comfort of your home in Trinidad and make money. Whether you're a full-time employee seeking extra income or a stay-at-home parent looking to maximize your time, this is the perfect video for you. The first step to starting a side hustle is identifying your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you're a master baker, or perhaps you're skilled at graphic design. Identifying your skills is the first step towards monetizing them. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to conduct market research. Find out if there's a demand for your skill set, who your potential customers could be, and how much they'd be willing to pay for your services. Now that you've identified your skills and done your market research, it's time to get your side hustle off the ground. Start by setting achievable goals. This could mean aiming to make a certain amount of money each month or gaining a specific number of clients. The next step is creating a business plan. This will help you outline your goals, business structure, and financial projections. A business plan is a roadmap to your success, so don't overlook this crucial step. Now it's time to market your side hustle. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Word of mouth is also a powerful promotional tool, so don't be shy about telling everyone you know about your new venture. Equally important is setting up a payment system. You want to make it easy for your clients to pay you. Consider setting up a PayPal or a bank account specifically for your side hustle income. One of the best things about starting a side hustle is the freedom it provides. But with freedom comes responsibility. It's essential to keep track of your income and expenses for tax purposes. You can make US dollars in Trinidad. Lastly, remember that starting a side hustle can be challenging. It requires time, commitment, and patience. But the rewards, both financial and personal, are well worth the effort. In conclusion, starting a side hustle from home in Trinidad is a great way to make extra money. Identify your skills, do your market research, set your goals, create a business plan, market your venture, set up a payment system, and track your income. Visit www.fromhomemoney.net for more details. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these tips help you start your side hustle journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep hustling. Outro music fades in.